Welcome everyone to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the delisting of the Hexaware Technologies Limited. First of all, the floor price that the promoters of the Hexaware Technologies Limited have decided is rupees 264.70. Basically, the floor price is the minimum price at which the bids can be made, and that is the minimum price which is offered by the Hexaware Technologies Limited. The current market price as on September 12, 2020 is 426.75 rupees. The bid opening date is 9 September, whereas the bid closing date is 15 September 2020. The shareholders can participate in the bidding. If someone is holding the shares of the Hexaware Technologies Limited, he can participate in the bidding through his broker. The volume of the average market price at which equity shares for a period of 60 trading days immediately preceding the reference date as the traded on the stock exchange, where the minimum volume of the trading in the equity shares is recorded during such period. Basically, the objective of the delisting is that the promoters want to attain the full ownership of the company that would help them to increase the operational flexibility of the company's business. So the resolution for the approval of the delisting proposal was passed on 20 June 2020. The bid opening date starts from 9 September 2020 and the closing date is 15 September 2020. The delisting of the company will start from 29 September 2020 if the bidding process is done successfully. Like I said before, the current market price of the company is 417.10 as on 12 September 2020. The letter of offer can also be downloaded from the Hexaware Technologies Limited website. Post shareholders' approval, the company will be required to apply in the stock exchange seeking their principal approval. Public shareholders may tender their bids, and the final exit of the price will be determined as the price at which the equity shares are accepted through the eligible bids. Shareholders may also have the option to accept the offer, or he may even reject the offer. Now let's talk about the company's past performance of the share. In the financial year 2017-18, the share price was as high as rupees 394.60, whereas in the financial year 2018 to 19, the share price of this company was 557.40, and talking about the last year, it was as high as 439 rupees. Talking about the rights of the remaining shareholders, they may tender their equity shares to promoters up to the period of 1 year from the date of the listing, and in such cases, the promoter will accept the equity shares at the final exit offer price. The second option, which the public shareholders might do if it doesn't want to sell their shares, is that they may enjoy the benefits as the shareholders of an unlisted company, such as right to vote and right to receive dividends. The acquisition of the shares is made by the subsidiary of the promoter, which is HT Global Parent and HT Global IT Holdings Limited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on the like button if you really like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.